cracking a DevOps interview with zero experience is impossible? Think again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people with no years on their resume still land DevOps jobs and the exact strategy you can use to do. Here's the truth most people miss. DevOps interviews don't actually test your years of experience. They test how you think and whether you can do the work. Companies hire for potential all the time, especially when a candidate can prove they're willing to learn and automate real. Interviewers focus on 5 core areas: version control, CI/CD pipelines, containers, infrastructure as code, and Linux, plus scripting. Understand how these all fit together into the software lifecycle, and you're already ahead of most candidates. The #1 secret? Build real projects. 2 or 3 complete projects on GitHub beat 10 years of padded resume. Set up a CI/CD pipeline. Deploy a web app with Docker and Kubernetes. Provision cloud infrastructure with Terraform. Then document every. Study the fundamentals deeply, not just tool commands. Master Linux, Git, networking, and how code moves from a developer's laptop all the way to production. When you understand the why behind things, you can answer almost any question with confidence. Then get your hands dirty every single day. Build pipelines in Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Break things on purpose and fix them. The more you automate real workflows, the more real experience you gain, even without the job title. Here's a powerful trick. Turn every job description into a practice scenario. The posting says CI/CD, build a pipeline. It says infrastructure as code, provision a server. It says scripting, write a script that automates something you do by hand. Stop memorizing definitions. Interviewers can smell scripted answers. Instead, answer with stories. The situation, the action, the result. For example, a build failed. I fixed it by doing this, and deployment went from hours to minutes. That is what experience actually sounds like. Be ready for the classics. What is DevOps? What's the difference between continuous integration and continuous delivery? How do you troubleshoot a failed deployment? How would you roll back a Kubernetes deployment safely? Prepare your own crisp answer for each one. Practice out loud. Do mock interviews, record yourself, and replay them. You'll be surprised how much smoother you sound. Always answer the question out loud, never just in your head. Finally, the mindset. Be honest about what you know and show genuine curiosity. DevOps leaders don't hire people who know everything. They hire people who are eager to learn and automate. That's the attitude that cracks interviews. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more DevOps career content. Drop a comment with one question you're stuck on, and I'll cover it in a future video. Now go out there and get that job!